Hey guys, this is Sydney
and Amanda,
and we're back with another GFriend slash Yuju. Although I don't know, maybe this is all of GFriend. This is Gravity. This is a Patreon request. If you guys are interested in our Patreon to see how you guys can request videos for us to react to, we'll link it down in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. It will be there. I'm not sure if this is just Yuju or if it's the whole group. It says GFriend, so might be the whole group. But anyway, let's just get into it.
Let's go.
This song is amazing. So
back to the music.
I know they're gonna kill it
right now.
Young Radio.
Buffer. Oh, this is 2015.
Thank you very much. And we have another message. Amal from Lebanon. So can you guys sing any English song? Well, actually, one of the members, Yuju, she prepared the English song, and she's going to sing live for us. 자, 어떤 영어 노래를 부를 수 있냐고 저희 청취자분께서 질문을 하셨는데 오늘 마침 유주 씨가 라이브 곡을 선곡을 해주셨는데 이게 영어 노래죠.
네, 맞습니다.
이름이 뭐죠? 제목이 뭐죠?
사라 바렐리스라는 가수의 Gravity라는 곡입니다.
오케이, Gravity. 저희 청취할 수 있어요? 지금 들을 수 있어요?
네, 물론이죠.
Alright, so we're going to listen to Yuju's vocal, and here is Gravity
oh my gosh,
by
this is
GFriend Yuju solo live. Here we go.
She gonna kill it. She gonna kill it. I already know.
So pretty.
This song is beautiful. She gonna kill it.
Just chill, looking at her. Get him, babe.
She gonna kill it.
Something always brings me back to you.
Look, I'm just looking at this shit. She's like,
never felt too long. No matter what I say I do, I still feel you here till the moment I'm gone. You hold me without touch.
Look at Shimby's me right now. For real.
You keep me without chains.
God.
I never wanted anything so much. Time to drown in your love, and I feel your rain. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed
God,
to be.
it's so good.
But you're onto me and all over me. Oh, you hold me 'cause I'm fragile.
God, she's so good. Wow,
and I
dude.
thought that I was strong, but you touched me for a little while. All my fragile strength is gone. Set me free, leave me be. I don't wanna fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. But you're onto me and all over me.
Oh, the bridge. Yeah.
I lift here on my knees as I try to let you see that you're everything I think I need here on the ground.
Her low register is so
You're not
good.
a friend, no foe, though I can't seem to let you go. But one thing that I still know is that you're keeping me down.
Wow! 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 that's just.
You're on to me, and
Wow. Just,
I mean, yeah.
wow. I mean, wow, dude.
something always brings me back to you. It never felt too long.
Snap.
I mean, Jesus Christ.
감사합니다.
Wow. Oh, no, they're all there.
Wow.
It's just showing.
Yeah.
Wow, that was very
Wow, I
impressive.
mean, like, holy shit.
All right, welcome back, everyone. That was Gravity by Girlfriend. You just.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Wow. I mean,
I'm not surprised.
I've heard covers of Gravity, like Minnie's cover, but it's produced. This is like straight vocal, no mixing, nothing. This is straight. Whew. Impressive. I'm not surprised though. I knew that she would kill it.
Yeah.
Like I said, I think Yuju's like up there in my top.
Top
She's in my-
5 for sure.
She's in my top 3 for sure. She's in my top 3 up there with. I'm having a hard time, with like ranking them. But yeah, Yuju's definitely in my top 3. Gen 3 vocals anyway.
Probably not even like a top.
It's not really a top
It's
3.
more like S tier.
Yes, it's like a tier, my tier list because
yeah.
I mean
There's so many good vocals.
I mean,
that
you can, and they're good at different things. They have different sounds,
yeah.
you know.
So
like
it's more of a
Solar's a
tier.
belter, you know. Ween's honey vocals,
Yeah.
like Foster's emotional vocals, like you know,
Raspy,
jazzy. Like so,
raspy.
it's really hard to rate vocalists in my opinion. I agree. More of a tier list. Anyway, Yuju's up there for me. Definitely in my top tier. Vocalist, love listening to her sing. I love her voice. It's great. But yeah, impressive. I'm not surprised that she killed it at all because it's cute. But yeah, no, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you to the Patreon who requested this. Yeah, it's fantastic. If you guys enjoyed the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll put this in our GFriend playlist located down below in the description box if you guys would like to check out our other and future GFriend/Yuju content. It will be there. But yeah, thank you guys for checking out the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.
All right, see you guys.
All right, bye guys.